Welcome to Kinetics. Let us prove that root 5 is irrational. This proof can be done by the proof of contradiction. Proof of contradiction means we will assume a statement, then we will verify that statement, and on the basis of the verification, we will find out whether the assumption is correct or the assumption is wrong. So here this proof root 5 is irrational can be done in 3 steps, and after the 3 steps we will give the concluding remark. So let us start. So let us assume root 5 is a rational number. So root 5 is a rational number means any number that can be presented in the form of P by Q is a rational number. That's why we can present root 5 as P divided by Q. Here, both P and Q are integers with no common factor, and Q is not equal to 0. If Q will be equal to 0, then this will be infinite. So here P and Q both have no common factor and Q is not equal to 0. Now squaring this equation, we will get 5 is equal to P square divided by Q square. Then by cross multiplication, what we will get? P square equal to 5Q square. Then comes the step 2. In step 2, we will analyze the divisibility. That means here P square is a multiple of 5. That means P square is divisible by 5. If P square is divisible by 5, that means P is also divisible by 5. Let us say P square equal to 25. 25 is divisible by 5. Then if P square equal to 25, P is equal to 5. So P is also divisible by 5. So as P is divisible by 5, let us take P equal to 5K. Then what we'll do, we'll replace P with 5K and we'll get our next equation in the next step. So in the step 3, we are substituting P with that assumption P equal to 5K. So we are getting 5K whole square is equal to 5Q square. That means 25K square is equal to 5Q square we are getting. So from this Q square equal to 5K square. Previously what we had got? We had got P is divisible by 5. Now what we are getting? Now we are getting Q is also divisible by 5. That's why both P and Q are divisible by 5. That means both P and Q are not co-prime. They have a common factor, that is 5. But what we have assumed? We have assumed that they are co-prime and they have no common factor. That's why this contradicts our original assumption that root 5 is a rational number. Therefore, we are getting the conclusion root 5 is irrational. So this is all about the proof of root 5 is irrational number. Based on the previous year questions, these are some of the assignments that you can do. Prove that root 5 is irrational. This we have already done. So in addition to this, you can do prove that 3 root 5 is irrational. Multiplication of rational and irrational will yield a irrational number. Prove that root 5 plus root 7, that means the addition of 2 irrational numbers will be an irrational number. Prove that 7 plus 3 root 5 is irrational. That means this is the addition of one rational number with an irrational number. So that will also be an irrational number. So these are the 4 different type of proofs that you can do for practice at your home. So thank you. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Your support matters. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more similar content like this. Thank you.